Okay, so when you take your notebook front off, you'll see there's a camera board right there. Okay, and that's a closer look, and then there's a connector here, and it's even closer still. So what you have now is a board. Okay, there's the camera eye there, and then there's where the connector goes. Now the thing is with this camera, it's actually a USB device, so you should be able to plug this in straight to a USB port once you put a plug onto it, and it'll work like a normal webcam. Okay, now this is actually this is off a Acer notebook, and it had like you could tilt the camera this way and that way. If you look at the color coding of the wires, it's exactly the same as USB. So it's red, black, green, white, and it joins exactly the same onto the USB cord. Okay, so here I've done it very roughly. I've joined red, black, green, and then white, and I've got the insulators which I'm going to put over the wires later. Okay, and that white wire goes to USB male plug. Here we have the wires done. That's the camera. Close up of the wires. Okay, I'll just back this up. There you can see the USB wire. There's the camera. Okay, so then we plug it into the USB port. Off to control panel. Okay, so in control panel, scanners and cameras, USB camera. Oops. We can say next. There we go.